Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Coffee Time. This is Coffee Time. This is Arvin again here. Today 11. Oh, 9/11. Today is 9/11. I mean 9/11 and 2023 from the moon. Okay, let's go to the next part of Solidity, which is now in this case Pictati, which is now here. If else, let's check what is if. What is if in programming language? Simple, easy measy. Okay, an if statement lets your program know whether or should execute a block of code or not. If Papa Big Daddy, if it's raining, I will take umbrella. Or let me say, if condition, you wanna change direction or condition, or you wanna control something. Now let's check it out. This is really easy because if, hey, if, that's English. Hey, if you hunger, get something to eat. If else. Okay, now let me, for example, say C#, if else example. Let's check it out here. C#, for example. The else if statement. Let's come here. If first, if conditions and if statement. C# all languages support if else else if switch. Okay, if condition syntax. If is rainy, if the car is broken, if Big Daddy is just like this. If now let's check this. What's if and how we control blocks of code. Here we have our friend Solidity. Contract variable, which is the old one, and here we have a function, which a function, the name of function, parameter which is accepted by this function, return type, I mean access modifier, returns unsigned integer. This function wanna return 1, 2, 3 decimal one. Okay, but here in this case, if you look at this structure of this function, it accepts x as unsigned integer. X could be 1, 2, 3, and then for example here I want to say if unsigned integer is a big integer, huh? I want now make conditions here. If I want to say if that number which is coming to this function, this x which is passed to this function, I want to say if that x is less than or smaller than 7, which you learned about this operator. If x is smaller than 7, return 0, because here our function wanna return unsigned integer which is included 0. Else if it's smaller than 17, return 1, and in any other cases return 2. Okay, if compile, deploy, let me see here. We have here a function here. You see function u here. Function u, it accept unsigned integer to factor. Okay, and you see here if x is less than 7, I wanna say the number which I wanna pass to that function is 6, and I expect to get 0 back. 0. Here, if I say 7, then 7. You say 1. Why? Because here you say here we do not have equal 1. This one we do not have, or otherwise. Okay, we do not have this one. And here you say if that is smaller than 7 and smaller than 17, because it's smaller, 7 is smaller than 17, and return 2. And if I pass now 20 here, 20 or 18, you say number 2. You control behavior of your function with if and if else statement. Okay, if, first one, else if. Let's imagine else if we have other condition. For example, let's else if with else if you can go further. Okay, if it's smaller than, it's like this. Else if is just like this. Control your code. See you in the next one. Have a nice day.